Hello, I'm George Langenbeer, owner of Silverhammer Surveillance. For 15 years, I was a loss prevention manager at a regional retailer. What does that mean? It means that I used to use surveillance equipment to catch shoplifters and bad guys and bad girls doing bad things. So in 2008, I decided to bring that experience to the masses. I opened Silverhammer Surveillance, and ever since then, we've been protecting homeowners and business owners. Homeowners protect their family and their home. Business owners protect their staff and their profits. From there, I'm also a big tech geek. I love tech, I have a huge passion for tech, so we also sell smart home devices in addition to security devices. With that, we basically deal with anything tech, and every cool gadget you can possibly think of, I like to play with them. So here on the channel, we talk tech and we talk security. On the security side, we'll give you tips, we'll tell you what to buy, we'll tell you what not to buy, anything along those lines. On the tech side, we'll talk about anything that's cool out there. We'll do unboxings, we'll do reviews, and that kind of thing. That's what the channel is all about, tech and security. So it's so nice to have you here. I really appreciate the support. 2021 was a huge year for the channel. 2022 is going to be even cooler. So please smash the like button if you like this video, what you've seen so far. Check out our content, hopefully enjoy it. If you do, smash the like button on each video. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, be notified of our future videos. Interact with us in the comments. I love hearing from you about tech and security, and I love talking to you guys. So thank you for being here. We really appreciate the support. Until the next video, peace and love. Welcome to the channel.